Made in Mexico, you guys. Made in Mexico. This is the American standard. Made in Mexico. It is what it is. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the American standard. All right. I'm just kidding. So anyways, in this review, we have the American standard toilet. This is the first toilet that I actually purchased that's over $120. I bought the Glacier Bay and I bought the Project Source toilets. Most of the time those toilets are $100. They even have a contractor's packet. When you purchase like 4 or more, 3 or more, it'll be like $89 or something like that. So those are your basic toilets. I was in Lowe's for about 2 hours looking for a toilet. I know that's kind of weird, right? Being in Lowe's for 2 hours straight looking for a toilet. And I wasn't like looking for the section. I was actually in the section for 2 hours deciding on which toilet do I want to buy. Now, I wanted to get this one. Well, I had a few choices, right? I believe the kosher brand had a model something like this. The Project Source had a model something like this, and then we had the American Standard. Now, of course, you know, kosher is a little bit on the high end side, you guys. I'm not a baller, all right? But anyways, so it was between the Project Source and it was between Project Source and this one. So I went with this one. Now, why I went with this one is because you can actually flush down a whole bunch of golf balls and you don't have to worry about clogging. So I'm gonna purchase a whole bunch of golf balls just to test out that theory. And y'all will see that on the channel. I'm just kidding. So anyway, so yes, we did purchase that. So, you know, mainly this is, you know, the kids' room, and sometimes they clog up their toilet. You know, they use unlimited toilet paper. It's like it don't cost a lot of money at Costco or something. But anyways, so one of the main reasons though, to be serious, one of the main reasons is because this is a easy clean toilet. It's like the whole toilet is like one piece. So that will be something interesting. So you will see that. So the Project Source and this one did have basically the same style, just like that, easy clean. So y'all know how like the regular toilet have like that, you know, where the trap is, they have like the design that's going out of the trap. And sometimes when you clean back there, it's, you know, it's kind of annoying to clean behind your toilet. If you clean the toilet, you know, this is for the people that clean. And with that being said, this have a slow close. The Project Source did not have a slow close seat. $10 more than the Project Source or something like that. So the price difference wasn't that far, but the Project Source was not a slow close. So why not spend like an extra 10 or 20 bucks? Made in Mexico, you guys. Made in Mexico. This is the American standard. Made in Mexico. It is what it is. You guys, this is so funny how you see something that says American on it and it says standard, and then you turn around, the box says made in Mexico. So maybe Americans came up with the idea, as usual, like Ford. They want to start making their cars in Mexico now and remain the recall king. So yeah. And Toyota is following right behind them. I know this ain't really a car channel, but you know, we can talk about it. Make sure you check for damages, you guys. We're checking for damages. You always check your stuff. An easy way for you to bring this, like if you have stairs or something, is to just take it right out the box, right at your garage or your porch or your driveway or wherever you at, and just take everything out and take it upstairs one at a time. Oh yeah, this is elongated, so it's not round. I'll get into that later. All right. One-handed bandit. All right, and that's a toilet. And as y'all can see, there is nothing but flush surface right here. Easy clean, you guys, easy clean. So that's one of the reasons why I got it. because you spend all this money on it, you definitely don't want nothing to happen to it. All right, you guys. So with 250 curse words later, I turned the camera back on. You guys, I am getting so tired of companies. I am frustrated with this product, and I will be returning it back to Lowe's. Why I am frustrated? Well, there's a few things, or a few reasons why I'm frustrated. One of them is because of just technical difficulties of what the builders put in this house many moons ago, and I have to go back to the store to get a water line because they put builder grade water lines in this house, and I totally wasn't even thinking about a water line. So I have to go back to Lowe's to get a water line. With that being said, on top of that, this toilet. I love the design of the toilet, but right now I'm just presenting it. So I just sat it here to present it, just to see how it is. The distance between the bowl and the wall, it's about maybe 2 inches. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. The issue I have is the bolts when you bolt the toilet onto your flange. They did not give you a nut. Right here, there's no way to tighten this. Unless you have some magical way to tighten this, there is no way. I have to bring this thing back to Lowe's. Do y'all know how heavy this thing is? And then we brought it all the way upstairs just for me to get another toilet to bring it all the way back upstairs. This is why I turned the camera off. All right. All right, you guys. So we have the American Mexican standard. Okay. American standard made in Mexico. Not a problem. Now, one thing, I do love the design, you guys. I just love this. The kids would just clean this so easily. I actually would like to install this in all of my rooms, but yeah, that won't be happening. At least not with this one. Maybe the project source comes with bolts. Nuts. So for one, you install it there, right? And I left my light up there. So if you look there, you can see the bolt. This is the old one. So like I said, I was just presenting it, seeing how everything fit. So here is the old bolt right here. Okay. Well, the old screw. So you put the screw in, this screw sticks out. I got an issue with the builders. All right. You guys, just because you get a brand new house don't mean it's all of that. All right. You see, look at this plastic water line, right? I can't flex this line to save my life. If I would try to flex this line, I will break this whole thing. And then we will have a flood in this house. So I have to go get a new water line. And I want to get it just to get rid of this old plastic builder's grade water line. So that's a personal issue that I have. But yeah, it don't come with bolts, or it don't come with nuts to screw this down. That's it with the American standard. I might come back with another American standard, but it won't be this model. I might come back with a project source, or I might go to Home Depot and just get a Glacier Bay. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Sorry that I couldn't test it out for y'all, but I am not spending that much money on that, and it don't come with no good stuff to make sure this toilet is secure. So that would be it. Any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.